Congratulations, now you may kiss the bride.
That's the wedding! Huh? What happened?
Why are you here?
I'm here because I want to be your bride. You're my boyfriend.
Huh?
I'm the bride, not you. What are you talking about? I'm the bride. Look at my ring. Me too. He gave me the ring. Look. Tell her I'm your bride. No, I'm your bride. No, he's mine. Back off.
Oh no, what am I gonna do? I need to get out of here.
Frankenstein, wait. Frankenstein! Frankenstein, how dare you!
Zombie!
Frankenstein, how could you!
Oh, zombie, stop! What are you doing?
How dare you marry both of us at the same time!
What are you talking about?
I saw you get married with me and Zombie Amy at the same time!
Huh? What the hell? Where did you see that?
In my dream!
Oh, my monster! It's just a dream, it's not real!
Well, I don't care! You were cheating on me!
Fine, zombie, will you marry me? You're the only zombie I love.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Fine, put it on for me. Alright, our wedding has to be on Halloween Day.
Halloween? That's tomorrow! We only have 24 hours, how can we do it?
Hello, that's 24 hours! That's enough time!
Oh, fine, let's go see the wedding planner.
Huh? Where are we?
Welcome to Vampire Company.
Who was that?
Haha, I'm Vampire and this is my wedding company.
Vampire, can you come down? I can't talk to you up there.
Okay, I'll be right down. Hey guys, what do you guys need?
I want to have my wedding in 24 hours.
Can you do it?
A wedding in 24 hours? Are you serious?
Yeah, can you do it?
Easy peasy. Look at this, guys.
Whoa! Everything looks so nice.
Oh, seriously, Vampire? I will pay for this. I don't want an unsafe wedding.
Okay, fine. Let me introduce to you guys my best-selling wedding bundle. I used a lot of white orchids, pink orchids. I guarantee you guys that you're gonna have the best wedding if you buy this bundle.
Wow, flowers? That may be a good idea.
Yeah.
Wait, what's that? Why are there so many? Ew.
I forgot to mention that there's gonna be a lot of bugs since these are fresh flowers.
Seriously, how do we solve this problem?
That's easy. We just need to decorate it with Halloween decorations and the bugs will all be gone.
Can you do it for us?
Yeah.
All right, look. All right, what do you guys think now?
Oh, I love it so much. Thank you, Vampire.
Yeah.
No problem. Now let's get the food ready.
Hi, Zombie Chef.
Oh, hi guys. Welcome to my kitchen. What do you guys need?
I want to order food for their wedding, but why is it so dark in here?
Oh, my bad. Okay, so what do you need?
I want to order food for my Halloween wedding.
Food for wedding? No problem. I have a special menu here. I have spaghetti, soda, and watermelon.
Are you serious? It tastes so human. Do you have anything for monsters?
Really, zombie?
Yeah.
Okay, I can make the monster food for you. First, we need to boil the water. Add some green food coloring. Use a spatula to mix it up. Then, put in the pasta. Now, I'm gonna make the pasta sauce by adding food coloring into the sauce. Smells so good. Alright, next I'm gonna make the eyeball egg from the half-boiled egg, olive, and red food coloring. First, cut the olive in half. Now, use a knife to make the hole on the egg. Then put the olive on. Carefully use the food coloring to design it to make it look like an eyeball. To make the monster dessert, the only thing we need is dry crispy bar and pretzel stick. First, we just need to shape the dry crispy and the pretzel stick into the finger and the bone. Get 1 drop of food coloring. Now, I paint the bone and the finger to make it look bloody. I finished all the monster food. What do you guys think?
Wow. I love it so much. Thank you, Zombie Chef.
No problem, guys.
Now we gotta go.
Huh?
Hi, Ghost Lady. Hi. What brings you guys here?
I want to find a wedding dress for Zombie. She's getting married tomorrow.
Yeah, in the next 24 hours.
Don't worry, I'm the best tailor in all the monster world. I want a dress that makes me look girly, but scary at the same time. To make the dress scarier, all we need are scissors and red dye. Use the scissors to make random cuts on the dress. Then spray the red dye onto the dress to make it look like blood. Now I have the scary girly dress for Zombie. So what do you think, Zombie? Do you like it? Wow, I love it so much. It's girly but scary at the same time. Thank you so much, Ghost Lady. No problem, Zombie.
Come on, guys. We're late for the ceremony. Let's go.
Ladies and gentle monsters, let us welcome our zombie bride, Joyce! Zombie bride, do you take Frankenstein as your husband?
Yes.
Frankenstein, do you take zombie bride as your wife?
Yes.
Does anyone have any objections?
No objections.
Stop the wedding! What? Another zombie bride? Are you cheating on me, Frankenstein?
What? No. Who are you?
Oh, you're Frankenstein and not werewolf? Oh, my monster, I went to the wrong wedding. Huh? Wrong wedding?
Are you kidding me?
I'm so sorry, just continue the wedding. Huh? What's going on?
I don't know.
Let's just continue, guys. Does anyone have any objections? No? Then Frankenstein, please put the ring on the bride.
All right.
Now, Zombie the bride, please put your ring on your husband. And with the power vested in me, you may now kiss the bride.
Okay, guys, let's party.
Yeah!
Are you girls ready for the bouquet toss? Yeah, we're ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Yay, I got it! Huh? I thought you got married already.
Why are you still here?
I couldn't find my wedding venue. Sorry. So can I join your wedding as a guest? Yeah, of course.
All right, my turn. Watch out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Mimi, I'm ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get married now.
Yay!
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe to our channel
Click the bell button.
and give us a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye!